resultant making an angle with horizontal. So here right angle triangle alpha R O D and C. So tan alpha is equals to opposite by adjacent side. So opposite side is CD and adjacent side is OD. We already know that CD already find it Q sin theta and OD is P plus Q cos theta. That is tan alpha. That means alpha is equals to tan inverse of Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. First, if P is equals to Q force, the forces are acting same force. The resultant is equals to under root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. We already know that form. So substituting here, P is equals to Q. That means in place of P, you are substituting Q. So Q square plus Q square plus 2Q into Q cos theta. Now here, Q square plus Q square is 2Q square plus 2 into Q is 2Q square cos theta. If you take 2 as common here or 2Q square as common, you will get 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Now here under root of 2 and Q will get 1 plus root of 1 plus cos theta. So root 2 into Q, root of 1 plus cos theta is root 2 into cos square theta by 2. Now here root 2 into root 2 is 2, 2Q cos square theta by 2 is resultant. And the angle is equals to alpha is equals to tan inverse of Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. So here tan inverse of Q sin theta by, in place of P you have to write Q plus Q cos theta. Now tan inverse of, what you get if you take Q sin theta by, if you take Q as common, 1 plus cos theta. Tan inverse of Q, here Q cancel. Now sin theta we can write as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and here 1 plus cos theta we can write as 2 cos square theta by 2. Cos theta by 2, cos theta by 2 times 2 cancel. So tan inverse of sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. So here tan inverse of sin theta by cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. Tan inverse tan, if we remove, we will get the theta by 2. So alpha is the half of the angle of adjacent forces of the angle. Theta is equals to 90 degrees. Then resultant we already know that P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. That means root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 90 degrees. So what you will get? Root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 90 is 0. So therefore resultant is equals to P square plus Q square. Now alpha is equals to, we know that tan inverse of q sin theta by p plus q cos theta, and here tan inverse of q sin theta is q sin 90 degrees by p plus q cos 90. So tan inverse of q sin 90 is 1 by p plus q cos 90 is 0. So tan inverse of, you will get q by p. If theta is equals to 0 degrees, then r is equals to under root of p square plus q square plus 2pq cos 0 degrees. So p square plus q square plus 2pq cos 0 is 1. Now this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, that we can write as under root of p plus q whole square. Square root cancel. So r is equals to plus or minus of p plus q. Then alpha is equals to tan inverse of q sin 0 by p plus q cos 0. So tan inverse of q sin 0 is 0 by p plus q into cos 0 is 1. So tan inverse of 0 by p plus q, you will get alpha is equals to tan inverse of 0, but tan inverse of tan 0 value of tan is tan 0. So tan inverse tan will get to 0. So alpha is equals to 0 degrees.